Jesse, what does this neighborhood remind you of?
North Carolina?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Just like the neighborhood we lived in up there.
Yeah.
Baby brother is growing up.
He's like a grown man.
He was 10 when I met him.
He's buying a house. This is exciting.
We are newlyweds, and we've been married about a year and a half, and we live in a tiny shoebox of a house.
It was great when I lived there by myself, and then we got married and she moved in, and it got really small really quick.
They've been pretty creative with the way they live.
He built a butcher block to go on top of the stove.
Hello.
Double the counter space.
Now is the time for us to buy a house. We've got some connections.
Just a couple.
They're wanting to stay under $200,000.
And I think that is like super median home price.
We're excited to let them guide us in our home buying process.
Take us on this journey.
I want to talk about the Orr house.
I like it.
The house was built in 1950. It's 1,400 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. And they're asking $95,000 for it, but we're pretty sure you get it for $90,000.
Okay.
You like that? Like
Yeah.
more of a New England rusty
I
red
love
color.
that color.
Yeah.
And then a green front door, keep your green roof.
Ooh.
And I would want to take these shutters off because they don't do anything.
Also, we would add a handrail because there's not one currently.
Safety first.
Safety first. This is your
About the
house.
size of our
Yeah,
house right
absolutely.
now. I love the fireplace. We can hang our stockings that your mom made for us.
We can.
Where do you hang them now?
We nailed them into a shelf that he built for us.
And you had your little Christmas tree was about this wide.
Yep, about yay big.
So in here, we would just paint and knock the little trim pieces
Take
off.
the angel wings off.
Oh,
Okay.
it's a shame.
Yeah.
And then, I mean, honestly, that's it.
Yeah.
The floors, we kind of like them as is.
how they are.
They're just dirty.
Blue.
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 It looks like it is straight out of the 60s, which we enjoy. We love that little sprinkle, but this is not a sprinkle. This is like
Yeah.
the top fell off of the seasoning.
Yeah, this is actually your bedroom.
Don't you love the paneling?
Yeah.
I really do. I like it.
I knew you would.
This is your bathroom.
It'd be a big bathroom, right?
It would be a big bathroom.
The renovation would be $100,000, bringing the grand total to
3,000.
$190,000.
Yeah. I want to show you another house that is awesome.
Okay.
I want to talk about the Pearson house.
Ooh,
Okay.
it looks crusty.
I would say unremarkable, maybe.
Yeah.
So it's built in 1910. It's almost 1,800 square feet, so a little bit bigger. It's 2 bedroom, 2 bath. And they're asking $85,000 for it.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is a little bit of rot that needs to be repaired.
It also needs a new roof. And I don't love the bars over the front door because it's got a beautiful door behind it. I also know that you guys don't love white for a house. I mean, you love color. Here's what I'm thinking.
Dang.
I love that.
This house could be so great if we painted it a dark, deep, almost like mallard green
Yeah.
with an even darker trim.
Yeah.
We're
I
matching
know,
our
it
painting.
does. This is literally us as
I
the
love
color palette.
it. It looks great. Another fireplace.
Another fireplace.
I like the floors.
I like these floors better than the other house.
The outside fools you on what it has in here.
So I know the fireplace is a little ugly.
I like the brick, but I don't like the color of it.
It's easily fixable with paint, I think.
Okay.
All right, so on the other side of this wall, there are 2 closets that open to the kitchen. I really want to take that space and make 2 built-in cabinets, one on either side of the fireplace. And you could put your record player in there with records
record
up above it.
storage.
Okay, now.
This is the kitchen.
Ooh.
It's not beautiful.
This is some kind of add-on.
This was a porch.
This was a porch. Like, this light bulb's gone, I guarantee it, because somebody...
Knocked it out.
It. It is not made for giants.
It's not made for a lot of things right now.
It's bad, okay? It's a bad kitchen. So, think of this. If we lost both of those doors, because we're giving those to the living room,
Yeah.
and this is all going away, it's new cabinetry, floor to ceiling, with your refrigerator on the left, your oven and hood vent in the middle, sink under the window, and then this very low ceiling could be raised, and I want to see banquette seating in this corner too.
That would be really cool.
And then over here, built-in cabinets and pantry space with your microwave built in.
Yes. I would
Yeah.
love that.
Yeah.
This room is weird. We don't really know what it is.
It's got an exterior door. So are they using it as a den?
But I would want to make it your bedroom. If this becomes your bedroom, we got to do a lot of work on the bathroom. So go check that out. Through there, next room.
Oh, there's another room.
Wow.
Get on in there.
Whoa. This feels homey to us.
Oh yeah,
This
This
reminds
feels
us
just right.
of our shoebox.
just enough space
Is
here.
the shower in here?
Oh, it is. Come on back.
I can't.
Yeah, it's bad. So again, I don't know what this room is, and I definitely don't like that
I
bathroom.
don't love any of that.
That bathroom would make a great closet and laundry room.
You get the house for $85,000. The renovation would run about $115,000. So you'd be right at $200,000.
Okay.
Go!
Go, girl.
Are you faster than Daddy? She is so fast. You
Look
gonna
at
go straight
you.
or you gonna turn?
Hey, do you want to turn? You want to stop?
Okay, I mean, we've been talking about houses since like the day y'all got married. So
Yeah.
are we doing this? Like this is happening?
It's all happening.
Yeah.
You're buying a house.
We're doing it.
Ah!
Mhm.
Which one though?
We decided on the Pearson house.
Yes, we're gonna be
Okay.
neighbors.
Yes.
Helen! Uncle Jesse and Aunt Lauren bought a house. Woohoo! Yay!
Both houses were great. The Pearson house is closer to us. They ended up getting it for $55,000, so $30,000 below asking price, which is amazing.
Are we ready?
I've been excited about this day for a long time.
Me too.
Showing Jesse and Lauren houses, them picking one, and then we start work on it. Today we want to focus on the kitchen, the bathroom.
I want the storm door off the front of the
I knew
house.
that was coming.
I have this deep ingrained fear of having my nose broken by a cabinet door being removed.
What else? Freaky. Looked like a snake crawling out of there.
It's an instant heart attack right there.
Yep. Y'all want to come look?
So it looks like what we expected.
I think that the porch was added on and then it was made into a room at a later date.
My dream would be to replicate the look of that. But to save energy, we'll have to insulate it.
What if we come in with insulation and then instead of sheetrocking, if we came in with like beadboard plywood?
Yeah.
That'll look clean.
I don't know who was using this bathroom as a bathroom. It's bad.
It's bad.
There we go. Gonna be a great closet. If the security storm door had been easy, it wouldn't have been much of a security storm door. Look at that.
Holy moly. Why have it if it's not on there really, really good with 5-inch long screws? Woo!
Good gosh.
Heavy.
Yeah.
But look how pretty the door is. I'm excited that we get to keep the original front door because it doesn't always happen. In this case, it's instant gratification. That is a friendly front door. David's coming to do the tile in the shower. I'm excited about this bathroom. Good morning.
Good morning, Erin. How are you?
Good.
All right.
I love this tile so
Yes.
much.
Wanting to know the design you want to go with.
Stacked.
Just straight stack.
Yep, straight stacked. When Jesse and Lauren got married, they went on their honeymoon in St. Augustine, Florida, the oldest city in the USA. St. Augustine was settled by the Spanish in the 14.
And then Lauren
100s.
settled for Jesse.
Anyway, this house that they rented in St. Augustine had beautiful hand-painted Spanish tiles. I wanted to give them a pretty Spanish tile, paying homage to their trip to St. Augustine.
It's going to be nice.
It is. All right, we're doing a great job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, David.
Glad it's not cast iron.
The Napier guys are giants, actual giants. Bathtubs are always too small.
Oh, yeah.
Is it comfortable?
It's actually very comfortable.
It's our little brother. And there was the news about the baby just came out of nowhere, and now it's like they can see so clearly what the next chapter of their life is gonna be. And it's gonna happen in this house.
Welcome to the Napier house.
Hey!
Woo! Oh my gosh, I love it!
That's
Holy
awesome.
cow. It looks so good, the brown roof, the colors.
It looks awesome.
Oh my goodness. I love it!
This is freaking cool.
This is so good. The fireplace looks amazing.
Doesn't it?
Isn't it good?
I love it painted.
It looks like it was always like that.
Oh my gosh! Oh, it looks so good.
Dang.
Oh, I love these colors. Yeah. Oh my gosh, yes, Erin. And the floor looks so good. Okay, okay.
Hey.
We got a dark bedroom. I love the black, y'all.
Yeah?
Yes. What a time.
Hey.
Oh man, there's so much space in here. Oh my gosh, I love the tile. Our shower really reminds me of our honeymoon in St. Augustine.
Yeah.
The tile is beautiful.
Can you submerge the knee?
Yes. It's Napier approved. I can get in. I can almost get out. I love it.
This is awesome.